Hey there. If you've ever had to work with a really large data set, you know exactly what I'm talking about. It feels like you've got this incredible treasure trove of information, right? But trying to find what you actually need feels like hacking your way through a dense jungle with a butter knife. Well, today, we are swapping out that butter knife for a razor-sharp machete by mastering a really simple but powerful tool in SPSS. Does this question right here just hit a little too close to home? You know the feeling. You open up SPSS, you're all ready to do some amazing analysis, and then bam, you are hit with this wall, this endless scrolling list of variables. It's so easy to just feel completely lost and wonder, where do I even start? Trust me, you are definitely not alone. And this is what that data jungle actually looks like. I mean, take the adolescent health study dataset AdHealth, for example. You just find yourself scrolling and scrolling and scrolling through thousands of these really cryptic names, just trying to find the handful of variables you actually need. It's so time-consuming, and let's be real, it is incredibly frustrating. So what if you could create your own secret map for that jungle? A shortcut to get right to the treasure? Well, that's exactly what a variable set is. Think of it like creating a favorites playlist for your data. Instead of wrestling with thousands of variables every single time, you create this clean, focused list of only the ones you care about for your specific analysis. All right, so how do we actually build this magical toolkit? It's honestly surprisingly simple, and we're going to walk through it step by step right now. Okay, first up, you're going to go to Utilities and then click to Find Variable Sets. Now, give your set a name you'll remember. Something like My Variables is perfect to start. Then, this is where your codebook comes in handy. Find each variable you need in that big list on the left and just use the arrow to pop it over into the Variables and Set box on the right. Ooh, and here's a pro tip. Always include your unique ID variable in every set you make. Once all your variables are in the box, just click Add Set and then close. Simple as that. Awesome. So you've officially defined your set. But wait a minute. If you look at your data view, nothing's changed, right? It all looks exactly the same. That's because creating the set is only the first half. Now you have to actually tell SPSS that you want to use it. And you know what? This part is even easier. Just go back to Utilities and this time choose Use Variable Sets. Now a little window will pop up. This next step is the most important one. Uncheck the box that says All Variables. Then just find your new set, My Variables, check that box and click OK. And this is the moment of truth. This is the payoff. On the left, you've got the before, that chaotic, overwhelming, endless list of variables. And on the right, you have the after, a beautiful, clean, manageable view with only the variables you selected. Now, don't worry, the other variables aren't deleted or anything. They're just hidden from view, letting you focus on what actually matters for your work. Okay, you are so close to being a variable set master, I promise. But there is one last crucial thing you have to remember to make sure this feature actually works for you every single time you open your file. Here's the deal. Your variable set gets saved with your data file, which is great. But every time you close and reopen SPSS, it defaults back to showing you all the variables. So you just have to reactivate your custom view. Make it a habit, open your file, go to Use Variable Sets, uncheck all variables, check your set, click OK. I'm telling you, it takes maybe 5 seconds and it will save you so much time and frustration down the line. And that's it. By turning that massive, overwhelming data jungle into a clean, focused workshop, you've taken away one of the biggest headaches in data analysis. You're no longer fighting with your tools, you're actually using them to their full potential. So with all that noise cleared away, with that newfound clarity and focus, the only question left is, what incredible story are you going to tell with your data?